Hello, hello. How's it going, guys? So today I thought I'd do another faux leather video for you. You guys seem to really like my faux leather videos, so I wanted to do some more for you. I just finished one earlier and now I'm doing another one. So this one I thought I would try to use Amazon packaging and see how that turns out. So I opened this one up and we're gonna hopefully turn this side into what looks like faux leather. Usually I use water with glycerin in it, but I think with this one I don't think we need to, so I'm not gonna wrinkle it. I want to keep it like this and hope it comes out. Like, I've never done this before with Amazon packaging, so I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I tried to do a black one just a few minutes ago and it didn't. It just looks like a piece of Amazon packaging with black paint on it, so it didn't really do much. I don't have a Mod Podge like this I don't have the black ink, the black distress ink. I need to get it, so I can't do that with that. So maybe I need to get that so I can try a black one. Like using a paper bag, I've done that before, like just a little strip, or probably parchment paper would work using black paint, but using this type of thing, like I said, it just looks like a piece of Amazon packaging with black paint on it. So we're gonna try this and maybe mix it with some water. Like, I'm kind of just winging this whole thing. Yes, I think the black paint is just too dark. It doesn't show through. I think I need to get the ink and get some more Mod Podge little bottles like that you get from Dollar Tree. Yes, I think this is better. I'm gonna need to make some more. I think the water helps kind of dilute it a little bit so it can spread out easier. I also, when I mix this, I also put like distilled water in it, and that's what's in my bottle too. Empty out half the bottle of the glue, then put like a little bit of distilled water and then your ink, and that's how you make it. And I have my first faux leather video shows you how to make it, and I also turned that into a short. I just pulled that out and turned that into a short, so I'll link those down below for you. Oops, uh-oh, I got it on my, oh man, I'm gonna have to clean that off. I got it on my little IKEA thing. So the reason I mix my ink in with the Mod Podge is because it helps so you're not using so much ink. And then when you run low, you just make more. I think I am getting low. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of this because it's a big piece. I don't want to bore you with all this, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest offline. I always do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, got it all painted with the Mod Podge mixture, and now I'm going to go in with some, like, maybe, I think I'll try this one. I think I've used it once, and then I'm going to try some of the metallic browns that I have, just to kind of give it more of a leathery look. I've done this before with the paper bags, but like I said, I've never done this with the Amazon packaging. I'm not completely sure what I'm doing, guys. Kind of just experimenting here. Just gonna put a little bit of the metallic one in spots. Okay, let's see what else. Maybe a little bit darker brown, chocolate brown metallic paint. That looks the same as the other one. Yeah, I don't think that really did any good. Kind of looks like the other one. Let's see, where is burnt sienna? Have I even used this yet? Don't think so. Oh, I mean, on camera it looks like faux leather. Yeah, not bad. I didn't look at it on camera. Yeah, on camera it doesn't look too bad. Let's do chocolate bar. And just mixing the colors together now. Chocolate brown is a little more red than I thought. I'm thinking I should have folded this up, like glued it first. Too much. Yeah, on camera it looks like faux leather. Okay, there it is. I still have to put the Mod Podge on it to finish it, but yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. It actually looks, to me, it looks better on camera than it does in real life, which is weird because usually it's the other way around. But I'm definitely going to cut off these edges, I think, because I don't like it. So I just used the Mod Podge with the vintage photo, this one, Antiquing Medium, and Nutmeg, and I got this off Amazon, so I'll link that down below. And then I didn't use that one, I used the Renaissance Brown and Metallic Glaze and Chocolate Bar, Burnt Sienna, and I don't think I used that. Yeah, and that's it. I just kind of spread it around, you know, just put different colors in different spots like you saw. I think I need some more, some more of the metallic over here. It's too much red. But yeah, when you do faux leather, you can make it any color you want. You can mix different colors like I did. Totally up to you. But I did a notebook for my man, and I did it in blue, and it looks really cool because he's a Cowboys fan. So I did it in blue for him. Actually, let me show you. So I did this for him. It's a disc-bound notebook, and yeah, I messed up there, but anyway. I did it in blue, and then just added some like silver and stuff like that. Like I told you, you can just add any colors you want, and just backed it with blue. Oh my gosh, cardstock. And then just sewed around the edges and added some coffee dyed paper. And like I said, he never uses it because he said it looks too good. So I'm like, well, what? It's just gonna sit there on the shelf. But anyway, yeah, so I did that. So you can do any color, and I used a brown paper bag for this. But I think using the brown paper bag, if you're going to do different colors, is better. Or if you're using dark acrylic paints, like I tried to do a black one. Yeah, I tried to do a black one earlier, and I did add some silver in there. You can't really see it, but yeah, it doesn't look like leather to me. It just looks like piece of Amazon packaging with black paint on it. So it didn't, you know, I think it covered up too much of the brown. I'm not sure. It just, to me, it doesn't look like leather. Like this one here looks like leather. When you use the brown paper bag, it does too. Like no matter what color you put, you saw the blue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry. If it's not, no, it's not yet, not dry yet. And then I'll put the Mod Podge on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So it's all dry. I ended up just folding over the edges and gluing them down instead of cutting them off. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And then just, of course, painted them like I did the rest of it. I'm probably gonna have to, you know, trim it down a little bit anyway if I end up using it for like a journal cover or something, because it's pretty big. I'm not even sure how big that is. Where my roll is 10 inches. Oh no, sorry, 9.5 inches. But yeah, it's pretty big. So yeah, I'd probably end up having to trim off a little bit anyway. I think you can trim up to here before you get to that bubble stuff. Yeah, so I just need to Mod Podge it, and that's it. And it looks so cool. I love all the different colors, like this paint stroke right there. That looks cool. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna use the matte medium this time and see how that turns out. Okay, get my Mod Podge brush. Mod Podge definitely spreads better. Okay, so I did this half already. It does help, same with the Mod Podge with the ink in it. It helps to spray some water and kind of dilute it a little bit. Because like I said, when I use Mod Podge, I put water in it to make it a little thinner. But I don't want to do that with this, so I'm just spraying it on the faux leather. Okay, so I'm going to finish up and I'll come right back. Okay, there it is. It's got the matte medium on it, and actually does look like it's drying matte because this side is already drying. So that's pretty cool. I've never actually used the matte medium on like faux leather before. I always end up using Mod Podge. I haven't had that long. I think I hauled it in a video. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm so glad I thought of this. I have like a bunch of Amazon packaging, so I figured let's see what it looks like if you turn it into faux leather. So if you guys have any ideas for other types of faux leather that you'd like to see from me, I'm trying to do more faux leather videos because you guys really like those on my channel. So if you think of anything else, let me know in the comments below and I'll be glad to do it for you. I hope you like this video and I hope you give this a try. I'm sure all of us have Amazon packaging like this. But yeah, so I hope you try this out, and like I said, give me ideas and I'll be glad to do it for you. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.